afternoon. We're really excited to have you here. It's our first GDG on campus our university event. And I'm Pratna Vibit. I'm currently in my BTech second year doing my computer science engineering. And I have the privilege of serving as a president in GDG for this term. A quick note on how I got here. So, the college had a couple of selections and they sent around two of us for the GDG India interview. And there we had a selection process, like it was a 5-step process. So, yeah, if you ever feel like you want to take up this leadership role, this is the path to get here. And before I dive into what GDG exactly is, I would love to hear from the rest of the team and all the leads who has brought a lot of skills and energy into this community. I'll invite them one by one to introduce themselves, talking about their roles and about what they have planned for their entire term. So yes, Vikas, up to you.
Hey guys, I'm Vikas. I'm the tech lead for this semester. So I am I'm basically just a coder. I do a lot of coding. I know about 7 programming languages: Rust, Go, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, C, and stuff. So I work as a full-time lead developer at a Dallas-based firm. Uh, and yeah, otherwise I'm just chill. So uh, for this semester I have a lot of exciting tech events planned actually. So primarily we'll be learning how to use Google technologies within uh, our environment, right? Like, so within campus we go to a lot of hackathons and stuff, right? So we want to educate everybody on how to use Google technologies to leverage winning hackathons. So that is one thing we'll be doing, and we have a lot of tech talks planned, tech talks, tech workshops planned, and other networking events. So yeah, that's it from me, Pratna.
All right, thank you, Vikas. That's great.
I'm, I'm Purvi, the design lead. So even I'm in second year of BTech, majoring in AI/ML. So what is our design domain work is we create the posters, the certificates, the posts for Instagram and such. So all the design people will have so much work because we have many events coming up and many things to do. Yeah.
Hello everyone. So I'm Karen Elisha. I'm in my second year. I'm majoring in AI/ML. So my interests include backend development. So I'm interested in Java, and currently I'm learning Python. I also have a keen interest in Linux development, and I'm currently building a lightweight operating system. That is one of my ongoing projects. So I'm the content lead for this year at GDG. So our content team creates articles and we write Instagram captions for all the posts that GDG posts on Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. So I have planned to, promote GDG in a very effective or more effective way this year by writing more, uh, interesting articles or trying to get a better reach through our articles. So my team will be working on that this year.
That's great, Karen. Over to you.
Uh, Hello everyone. I hope you can hear me. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, so hi everyone. I'm Isheshwari and I'm BCA second year student, and my specialization is in data science, and currently I'm interning and working on project under the same domain. So first of all, I would like to welcome you all in GDG on campus RBU. Like, it's such a great opportunity to work together, to collab together, and to work on certain events that can, enhance our leadership qualities. So this year, I have like certain plans to, enhance our leadership skills while working on GDG. We'll engage with more people, and because I'm engagement and community lead, so we'll try engaging with audience who will come for our workshops and events. And also I like throughout the event, we'll try to plan certain activities that can engage people, that can will organize certain activities that through which we can engage with the speaker, the people who will be coming for the events, and let's make this community grow with lots of you know uh, leading people with lots of curious minds, and let's drive this.
It's amazing, Isheshwari. I love the enthusiasm. So I think the two of the leads, they're pretty busy right now. They have other commitments. So we'll be meeting them anyways during the term. So any questions you can ask them at that time. We will be moving on to explaining you what GDG is and what we have planned for the next year. Like there's around 4 to 5 events that has been assigned from GDG India itself. So we as a club, we don't have that much flexibility to do to decide the events that we want to do. I mean, that is there, but it's mainly like powered by them. But it's a good thing because they provide you a lot more access. Like they provide you Gemini AI Pro and many such exclusive benefits, which we'll be talking about in the slides that I'll be showing right now. Just a minute. Yeah. Guys, is it shared?
Yes, Prarthana.
All right. All right. So yeah. And for all the design members over here, there'll be like a design brand guidelines that you should be following, and that's pretty much the same thing. The Google colors, which you all know, the basic ones, the red, blue, green, and yellow colors, and you have to play around with that itself. You have like given fonts and given colors. You should go ahead with only those ones, those colors. Like you just met, this is the core team. Rajesh and Vidwit couldn't join us today. And moving on to what GDG on campus is. So Google Developer Groups on campus is a community group for student developers to help them immerse themselves in technology. So basically, Google Developer Groups is managed by India, like we just said before. There's almost 600 colleges under them. It can be VTU or autonomous, all the colleges under them. And it's mainly built for student developers. Like it's for giving more chances for students pursuing their college in their 4 years of term by providing them exclusive benefits, which we'll be talking about in the next few slides. And like I said, you'll be learning about different Google technologies and skills, like basically working with all the Google platforms. Like we know a few of them, Firebase, Gemini, and we connect with like-minded community folks globally, which will help you grow professionally. You might have heard of this event called as the DevFest event, right? So it's mainly for these Google student developers, wherein all of us, we get to go and we get to meet new people, like how exactly a webinar or conference works, right? It's exactly like that. So we have a DevFest event coming up in Bangalore. So there's around 12 colleges in Bangalore who is a part of the GDG India group, just 12 of us. So all the college members from that college who's a part of the GDG chapter, they'll be coming and they'll be meeting all of us. People from Google will be the speakers for the event. And this is how, we make connections. We build a community from there as well. And then learning any technology which requires like practice and hands-on experience. So Google provides you this flexibility. GDG will help you, move forward in this. And again, participate in discussions, share your knowledge, and ask questions. All of those things. Like again, especially in an event like that, you get to meet more people, and you again have a nice talk on how you want to go ahead. And of course, it does add on a lot of value in your resume as well when you say that you were a part of GDG chapter, wherein you did learn about the Google culture, like how exactly it works there, and you might have already worked with several Google technologies as well. So yes.
So We have different, like Pratana mentioned. So each campus or each institution has GDG on their campus. So we are part of a global movement. So currently, like the data says, we have around 1,500 plus community groups, which are spread across 79 countries and over 800 plus cities. So it is a great opportunity for all of us to be a part of GDG and network together and meet different people who have like interests and who share common talents or skills. So we provide knowledge sharing in a peer-to-peer learning environment. We build solutions to local problems, and we mainly focus on bridging the gap between theory and practice. So, what is our vision? So, we often learn a lot of concepts in class, but there's always this gap between theory and practical skills. So, GDG bridges this gap. We empower and impact students through technologies. So, we have various workshops. We don't just learn theory or concepts. We learn it through hands-on labs and skills. So, we bridge the gap between theory and practice. Our main vision is to you know get a hands-on experience. We have jam sessions, we have workshops, and everything is done practically. And also we may help you to become more employable. So at the end of the day, it's not our degree certificate, it's the skills that we have, this good skill set that will help us to be ready to work in the corporate world. So our vision is to help you to learn those skills and to improvise on your skill set so that you can become more employable in the corporate world. So GDG helps you throughout, in all phases of your life. So you initially begin as a developer, then you go on to become a senior or an expert developer, and then a professional developer, and then an entrepreneur. So GDG is part of your professional development at every stage. So currently we are in the development stage. So we are beginners in we want to become developers. So currently GDG helps us to enhance our skills as well as get a good networking opportunity. So GDG on campus here at RVU will help you to improvise your skills and also get good better connections.
Yeah, so a few technologies by Google that Google has developed is, as we all know, the most popular Android. So yeah, Android development is one of the most trending fields in all of the world actually. So Android development is primarily done using Flutter. Okay, so Flutter is used for Android development, and that is also by Google. Angular is a JavaScript framework for creating websites. You can either write it with JavaScript or TypeScript, and Angular is just a framework which makes coding easier. Google Cloud is used to host these apps or websites that you're making. PWA is also a similar a technology like cloud. It's called a progressive web application. Then Earth Engine is the Google Earth, which lets you get drone shots and stuff, which is actually a very uh, complex technology from Google, but very underrated. Google Maps, we all know what that is. Uh, TensorFlow is used for machine learning. Uh, Machine learning, image processing, classification, training, stuff like that for AI/ML. Uh, Kotlin is a Java framework which is built on Java to make Java faster and easier to write. So Kotlin is actually used in a lot of new Android apps actually, Kotlin and Flutter. So any Flutter app that's being built is sometimes processed as Kotlin. So yeah, that's some technologies by Google that we might be working with.
Okay, so hello everyone. So I'll be talking about GDG, what GDG on campus actually offers, like benefits of joining GDG on campus. So first thing is leadership and skill development, because we will be hosting lots of workshops and events. So you will definitely come up with a lot of idea, lot of like you will learn a lot of skills, and it will enhance your leadership qualities also. Now practical project collaborations, yeah, we have a lot of projects under GDG. So you will like work on certain projects, like those will be like practical projects. We will collaborate together, we will work on real world projects. Also portfolio enhancement, as Pratna mentioned before, that this will really enhance your resume. Like if you'll add this experience into your resume, it will boost off. So definitely portfolio will be enhanced. Also industry experts and networking, like yeah, we are going to host a lot of workshops where industry experts, like people from Google will come and guide us. So you will be having like networking with them. You will get to know more about how to like work at Google, how is the like working life at Google. Also global network and connection, yeah, because you'll be connecting with a lot of industry experts, and you will be making network with them. You will get to know a lot of more people who are like at global stage working at Google. Yeah, we will be hosting a lot of tech events and learning. So while you will be working on workshop, you will be working on projects, you will be engaged in workshops, you will learn a lot of technical, like you'll get a lot of technical experience. You will learn about a lot of tech stacks. Also Google tools and resources, there are so many Google tools that we have, but we are not aware about that. Like Vikas mentioned that there is like very underrated tool, the Google tool existing. So you will be working more on that, and you'll get to know more about it. Technical and personal growth. Not only like if you are seeing it from only technical aspect, that is not correct. You'll have both. Like obviously you'll have like your technical skills will enhance, but with that personal growth will also happen. You will see like your leadership quality is enhancing. You are able to communicate with people. So those things will happen. Also diverse collaborative environment, you will meet a lot of like-minded individuals, you will collaborate with a lot of experts. We in our team only, we have a lot of experts here. Like Purvi is like, she is very good at design, Karen for content, Vikas for tech. Also we have Vidwat, who is there for content and like PR and outreach. Rajesh is there. So you will, when you'll work with them, you will like collaborate with them, you'll get to know a lot. Work like a lot about GDG, a lot about the work life at Google.
I'll be talking about the Google Cloud Study Jams. So Google Cloud Study Jams are hands-on, self-paced online mode of learning. So here you'll be building a strong foundation in Google Cloud, where you get access to exclusive courses on Google Skill Boost, which otherwise you would have to pay for it. But through this, we are getting it for free. So please use it wisely. The registrations for it was closed on 23rd September. So I hope you guys have registered for it. So in this, what we'll be learning is you'll get gain in-demand skills like cloud computing and generative AI. Last year we had generative AI, so this year it's cloud computing, because they'll be alternating with these two topics. Why cloud computing? Because every other company has cloud, and that's why it's in demand. You should have that skill and be industry ready. You should be doing this cloud study jam and support your community's growth and with the skill and broaden your knowledge basically. Next slide. So I'll be explaining what we'll be learning and what exactly these Google Study Jams are. So you will have, this is the specified path that you have to complete. These are the badges that you get when you do these labs, hands-on labs. Like I told, it's hands-on learning. You will have to complete a few labs. The account which you have registered with will get some amount of credits which you will have to use for those labs and complete these badges, and you can put these badges on your LinkedIn as well. So I hope that you use these credits only to follow these badges and do these badges, because you have limited number of credits and all these require credits. Once you finish all these badges itself, it will be considered as that you have completed the study jam. Uh, telling from experience that I did this last time. I'm telling you, don't keep this for the last. Don't procrastinate. You will have to start doing this from this very beginning, because otherwise at last you will have a lot to do and it will be very overwhelming. So you will have 10 labs limit per day. So you can only do max to max only 10 labs in a day. So please start early. So because at last, because as the limit is 10, you will not be able to complete it. October 1st is the date it will start, and October 30th is the last day. I hope all can do it and finish it, and we can get more number of people who have completed all these labs and the badges. All the best for the completion.
Yes, like Purvi mentioned, don't procrastinate, because it's a series that's going to take place from October 1st to 30th. So you have like several videos and several materials that you'll be getting. So try to complete it there and then. It's just like, think of it as, your separate classes after your college is done. So once your college is done, just spend like probably half an hour or something in the night time and just try to complete it there and there. If you keep it, at the for the end, it's gonna like really be really overwhelming for you guys. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Any questions? We'll be closing the session in a few minutes, so you can ask any questions if you have. So
Pratana, I'll just add on to the Google Jams.
definitely.
Yeah. So guys, you all will have, solutions to all these badges on YouTube. So I did it last year. So I'm just recommending you all not to, just cut, copy, paste, looking at the solutions from YouTube. So you will get all the solutions, you'll get all the commands. So since these are Google Cloud badges, you will have a lot to work on the terminal. So please don't use the YouTube videos as a, cut, copy, paste option. Use it to learn, refer to them and learn and do the labs. So that will help you, not just earning a badge, you'll also learn cloud computing. So use the YouTube videos very wisely.
Yeah, and also I would like to add on good news that today morning I got a mail from GDG India saying the deadline has been pushed for just a day. So by tonight, we can complete few more registrations. There are like 20 slots left. So if any of you who wants to take part and you couldn't do it within the deadline because it was just a 3-day term that we had got, you can just send out a mail to me or send or text to me on WhatsApp. I'll just forward you the link. You can still register today evening 5 p.m. is the deadline. It just got extended. So you can just text me or mail it to me. I'll give you the link. And yeah, that's pretty much how it works. Any more questions, guys?
Also, I think a lot.
Yeah, continue.
Yeah, I'm Kushi. I'm from the community engagement team.
Yes.
I actually had a question.
Yes.
So since GDG is supported by Google,
Yes.
I'm just curious, does it being actively involved in this community open up any direct opportunities for us to connect with Google India or anything like that?
So mainly right now, how it works is we can just go around calling for speakers who wants to take part, who wants to like give out talks in college or something, with the tag of GDG saying we are one of the developers from our college. You can get good contacts from with the Google team. That's the first step that you can do in college. And apart from that, in the future, like if you want to get into Google, I think it will always add a value because you might have already worked in a Google culture. Because like I said, I have a few events planned, and one of the event plan that I have planned is to keep a internship in the summer break that we'll have. If you guys are first year, you'll have it in the month of, I guess, June, July, which is next year. So when we have this 2 months into summer break, right? I have a plan of setting up an internship wherein we will be calling people from Google and giving us a talk or give us a proper experience on how it works, so we all can learn together and work together. That's pretty much the perks you will be getting, and in the future we never know, it can work better. Does it answer?
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem.
And also, I hadn't registered for the Google Study Jam, so I could register it today, right?
Sure, sure. Please send out a mail to me because if I send it on the group, it's just a limited slot. It's just 20 slots that's left.
We can send it here, right? In the
So
chat. We can send the link here in the chat.
yeah, that also works. Yeah, you can just send it
Yeah.
in the chat.
Thank you.
Sure, sure. Anyone else?
Yeah, I wanted to know what was the registration for that got extended to. What is that registration for?
It's for the Google Study Jams, the one that Purvi just talked about, right? I had sent
Okay.
it out in the group as well. The previous deadline was 23rd September. Yeah, that was a deadline, but we did have like 20 more slots left. So it's basically like the credit system, right? So they provide based on the referral codes, they provide like 200 seats like that for every college. So now they have extended, they're like giving us 20 more slots. So which is why they have extended their deadline. It's just for Google Study Jams. Like I said, they'll be providing you materials for like a period of 30 days. So yeah, I'll be sending you the link. You can join if you want.
Okay. Oh, will you be sending it on the chat, meeting chat?
Yes, yes, I'll do it in a minute.
Okay. Thank you.
Anyone else?
Actually, hello, I actually registered for the study jam,
Okay.
but I didn't register with a new mail ID. Is that fine?
That's all right because this is not affiliated with your college or anything as such. It's just for your personal growth rate. So as long as you get the credits on your mail ID, it doesn't matter.
An
But
old mail ID works, right?
yes, yes, yes. If you
Okay.
made sure to enter the same mail ID which you have entered in the forms, and use the same mail ID for claiming the batch, like when you have created the account, if both of the mail IDs match, then yes. If it's different, I think it might be a problem because
It
Okay.
they'll
says
tally your answer from the Google form with the account that's been created. So if it doesn't tally, it might be a problem. So just make sure that it's same.
I already registered with different ID, so what can I do?
Different ID in the sense for Google form and the creating the account, you have used different
Google form, it was in my college mail ID. And when I was creating the account on the cloud thing, I used my personal one.
But the thing is, there was a place for you to put in the email, right? Did you put the other mail
I
ID?
put the personal ID.
Huh,
So
that's all.
that
It was registered through personal mail, right?
the
The personal mail you have filled in, right? So it's fine.
no, I used the personal mail for the account and I mentioned the school, sorry, the college one here.
Okay, so in that case, it won't be accepted. So what you can do is, like I just said, that 20 more slots left. You can register again. Do it with the same mail ID. Just be a little cautious this time. All right?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
hello, hello.
Yes.
It's showing this document is not published
Which way?
Wait.
on the
We'll
Google
send.
Form link.
Purvi, there's a new link that's to be sent. I'll do
Yeah,
that because they extended, so they gave a different form for it. I'll do that. I'll stop sharing the screen.
Okay, okay, sure.
Yeah. Anyone else?
Any other questions regarding the jam, study jam?
Hello,
Um,
hello. Myself, Bairesh. Can I talk?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had registered for the study jam with my college email itself, but they had asked for the skill boost profile ID. So I
Yes.
had given my personal account as the study profile. You understand, right? So is it okay?
So
Or
in the Google form, you have entered your college mail ID, is it?
I registered through my college mail ID itself, but I had applied for they had asked their mail ID for study profile. Yeah,
Yes.
Google Study Boost profile, something they had asked. I had given my personal ID. I had created the account in that.
All right, see, registering is different. I know it will be recorded with a certain mail ID, but there's an option where you tell about, there's an option for giving out a mail ID. There, have you given personal one or your college one?
My college ID.
Okay, then I think it might be a problem. You'll have to register again.
No. I see it. I see he has actually put in his personal mail ID itself.
Then, yeah, it works.
Confirmation of mail.
So it's not a
That is
problem,
fine.
right?
No. This is fine.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Hello.
Yes.
So, actually, I tried to register before the deadline, but then they asked for this Google Skills account, right? For that, it's showing you have to be at least 18 for it. So, how can I register now?
Yeah, that is one of the requirement. You can try with. Do you have another mail ID where you can? Are you not 18 yet?
In a few days, I will be.
Okay.
But that's after the deadline.
What you can do is you can open another account where you can just claim that you're 19, put your date of birth as that, and continue because there's no other option. That is one of the requirements for you to be 18.
Okay, so for registration and for both the places, I should give my personal mail ID, right?
Yes, yes. Either personal mail ID for both or college mail ID for both. Don't keep it different. That's all. Guys, I've
Okay.
sent out the form. You guys can check from here. And if anyone has still missed it out, you can just send out a mail to me, all right? Any other questions?
Pratna,
Yes.
I'd like to add about something because some people are saying that they're getting error message after filling the form. So it's because your URL, that is skill post profile URL, is not correct. So please check the URL once, and don't copy paste the URL which is already there in form. Okay, you have to make your account and then use that URL, that public profile. Set your profile as public, and then copy paste that URL in form.
Yes, see, the
Then
moment
it
you
will.
make it public over there, no, there's one green color button that you can see, like an
Yeah.
info session. There's some symbol over there. There itself, there's a copy option. That's your ID basically. Your name won't be written, of course, but that's the ID. Just after you make your account public, right? There's a green color button. That's pretty much how much I remember. And if you still have any more doubts, there's a tutorial video that I have attached in the Google form itself. That GDG has attached itself. There's a YouTube video. There's a tutorial. You can watch that and get it cleared.
Sure. And
And
even after that, if you're getting error message, let us know. We'll see what we can do.
yes. Manish Reddy, you asked if I can check if you have registered. Yes, so I have got a mail from GDG India regarding like the 180 responses that I've got. And we have the list of everyone who has registered. I'll just check that and get back to you. All right.
Yeah, I guess Manish Reddy has registered. I saw that. Yeah.
Yes, yes. But GDG India has to approve based on the
Yeah.
requirement, right? So
Requirements.
they cancel out a few which doesn't match. So I'll check that and I'll let you know. Any more questions, guys?
It's asking me for a referral code.
Referral code. Okay. Yeah, that only I have it.
Okay, can you send it to me on?
Prarthana,
Yes.
send the Google form which we had before, right? So let them fill in. Let's fill it again.
Yeah, that has been unpublished, so I'll again publish that.
That's what that link I
Because
sent. That's why it was
yes,
not there.
I'll do that again. The thing is, the referral code is given by GDG India, and we're not supposed to share it with anyone because it's limited for only certain colleges. So we have to open a different form just for the college members, and once we get the details from you guys, we leads with the help of the referral code, we separately fill out the form given by GDG India. So do one thing. I'll send out another link on the main group itself. I'm guessing all of you are there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll send out another form over there. You give your details over there, and we guys will fill it into this one with the help of the referral code. Works?
Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. All right then. I think we are done. Again, thanks a lot for joining. It's a Sunday afternoon. It's been like almost 40 minutes. So yeah. Anything
Pratna,
else?
someone have raised hands. Can you see?
Not really.
You can ask Nida.
No,
Veeresh.
it's clarified. Thank you.
Videsh
Uh,
is.
Viresh.
I have a doubt. Like I registered for that Google Jams, but I didn't receive any mail back regarding that.
It will be sent to you shortly. October 1st, right? It will start. So by then you will have everything.
Okay, like in Google Skills, should I like start anything or like when I will receive mail, like I should start after that?
Yeah, October 1st is when you will be credited with credit points, which is when you can start using and doing the labs. So you have to wait.
Okay.
I guess that's pretty much it. All right. Thank you all. It was great having you. I think we'll be closing the session now.
Thank you.
Right. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.